Which kind of jobs do you think they are available, more available than others?
Booth work.
Jobs are available in this city.
Hotel, yeah.
A lot of jobs, but it depends with your qualifications, of course.
Qualifications.
Yes.
Like they are available, and when someone is hungry, they don't even look for the offices. Like the normal things you can do to earn a living here in Lusaka.
The normal things you can do is, I think, starting a business would be.
So a bit. Others can do some lifts with buses. Others can do a bit of pieceworks under constructions. Chinese are all over, and a lot. I can
street vending. Street vending, because that's the easiest way to start a business.
The papers that you have, yeah, that's what I can say.
Maybe it's normal jobs.
Normal jobs, like maybe someone can, maybe you can start working for these other guys like Ackermans, ShopRite. I don't know.
ShopRite.
Yes, pick
Selling
and
in
pays. Yes, selling in shops. Yes.
Those are the available jobs here.
Yes.
Bonsoir, bon après-midi, comment ça va, mambo vipi from wherever you are around the globe. Hello, how are you? This is Asad. Welcome back to Asad Experience YouTube channel, where we learn how to travel, the cost of traveling, to explore the cities around the globe. But right now, we're especially focusing on Africa first. So we just started with East Africa, and right now I'm with the southern of Africa. Welcome to Zambia. Hello guys, my name is Asad. What's your name?
Charity.
Charity. Are you from here?
Yes.
In Lusaka, Zambia, right?
Yes.
So my question for today, first of all, what's so special about Lusaka?
Everything is just so special about Lusaka.
Like?
We have a lot of tourist attractions in Lusaka, so that's the most thing that I love about Lusaka.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not only in provincial areas that you find tourist attractions, but even in Lusaka we do have.
Okay.
Yes.
That's so super amazing. So my question for today is, it's very easy by the way, don't tense. If you're someone from maybe another country of Africa, like for me, like from Kenya, I'm coming here, don't have papers, I don't have anything, I just want to start life. Which kind of jobs do you think they are available in this city?
First of all, you have to have papers in order to find any work, because you'll be deported if you don't have papers.
Okay.
Yes, I think that's what I know.
Okay, so you have papers. For example, which kind of jobs are available in this city?
Hotel. Yeah. Yes.
Waiters.
Waitresses, chefs. Yes.
So the people who complain online saying that there is no opportunities in Lusaka, it's a lie.
They don't have papers.
For real?
Yes. Because if you have papers, we do have like a lot of vacancies. I think they just don't know where they can find work, but there are some apps that you can just search for works, and then you'll be able to find job vacancies. Even in newspapers you find them.
Wow, that's really amazing. I think you can help them. Just tell them what they can do, man.
Yeah, like
which kind of apps maybe, or where they should go. There are a lot of unemployed people in the city here.
You just search for them online. On newspapers, a lot of young youths don't usually buy newspapers, but you can find vacancies on newspapers too. Wow. Because they usually advertise on newspapers, TVs, and some apps. Wow. That's where I got my work. I just saw it online.
For real?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Charity.
You're welcome.
My name is Asad. What's your name?
My name is Chola Flank.
You from here in Lusaka?
Yes.
You're Zambian, right?
Yes.
So, man, congratulations. First of all, I just saw he's wearing a Kenyan slogan called Hakuna Matata. This is our international slogan, man. So I'm asking here, if someone from another country in Africa finds himself or herself here without knowing where to start, which kind of jobs do you think they are available they can try to do to survive?
There's a lot of jobs you can try to hustle a bit. Others can do some lifts with buses. Others can do a bit of pieceworks under constructions. Chinese are all over, and a lot. I can mention a lot, but a few.
Oh, so those are the available ones, right?
Yes, please.
So it's not easy for someone to suffer here in this city.
It takes you yourself. Otherwise, if you want to suffer, then it's up to you. But if you are trying to hustle, moving up and down, you can't suffer.
Wow. I really like that. Thank you so much for your information.
You're welcome.
Imoi Kalimba.
Imoi Kalimba?
Yes.
Or you live here in Lusaka?
Yes.
So I'm just here to explore this city, and I just have one question. Like, if someone from another country here in Africa comes here in Lusaka, Zambia, especially looking for a job, which kind of jobs do you think they are available, more available than others?
Both work.
Both work.
Yes.
Which kind of, for those who really don't understand?
It's an agent, more like a booth, Airtel or MTN agent.
Or for communication networks,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Or any other maybe?
Industrial work.
Industrial work.
Yes.
So those are very easy to find.
Yes.
Wow. So which process maybe do someone follow
For
to get that job?
as for industrial work, it's a kind of a difficult thing because you need to have connections.
Connections.
Yes, unless if you have a relative, you can find a job. But if you don't have any relative, mind dash, you cannot find a job.
Okay.
Yes.
And for those both work?
Both work, it's easy to find, but it's very hard to trust somebody because it deals with man.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So you can't die hungry in this city of Lusaka?
No.
There are a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
My name is Asad. What's your name?
My name is Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Pardon?
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
So like I just came in Zambia like yesterday, and I was wondering, like asking the locals, if someone finds himself or herself here in Zambia from maybe another country here in Africa, maybe coming to look for a job, which kind of a jobs they can get from here?
You said if somebody comes from another country
Yeah.
looking for a job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which the available jobs around here in Lusaka?
There are a lot of jobs, but it depends with your qualifications, of course.
Qualifications.
Yes.
Like the available ones, you know, when someone is hungry, they don't even look for the offices, like the normal things you can do to earn a living here in Lusaka.
The normal things you can do is, I think starting a business would do.
You don't have a capital. You just
Don't have
came
it.
from nowhere.
That's quite tricky, but anything you know, you don't have a capital, you just came from somewhere. As long as you've got skill, depending on what you know, I think people can help.
Okay.
Yeah, you tell them, say no, I can do ABC, I'm coming from this, I don't have capital, I'm looking for a job, but I've got this skill. I'm sure they can help.
Wow, that's really amazing.
Yes.
Are you a Zambian?
I am a Zambian.
So something really interesting, or I really don't know if it's interesting. I just heard that you guys have a lot of foreigners here, and you guys really hate Rwandese. Is that true?
Not really. We have a lot of foreigners because we are a Christian nation.
Okay.
And apart from that, we believe in humanity and we embrace everyone because it's one Africa, it's one world. So we don't hate Rwandese.
Okay.
They are our friends and we've got a lot of them actually in Zambia.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's so super amazing.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your time. Man.
All right, sir. Thank you.
What's your name?
Vivian?
Vivian, you from here in Zambia, Lusaka?
Yes.
Okay, what's so special first about Lusaka?
Like everything is special, as you can see, like the city. Like you can go around, find people, different people, your friend people. You can do whatever you want. It's a free world, like it's
Wow.
a free country. So yeah, that's what I can say.
Wow,
Country.
I like that. So my question of today is, if someone maybe from Africa, around the countries of Africa, comes here to look for a job, which kind of jobs do you think are available here in this city?
Like I have, like it depends with the papers that you have. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Maybe
Yeah.
it's
Like,
normal jobs.
Normal jobs, like maybe someone can, maybe you can start working for these other guys like Ackerman's, ShopRite. I don't know.
ShopRite?
Yes,
It's
pick
selling
and
in
pays. Yes, selling in shops. Yes.
Those are the available jobs here.
Yes.
Wow,
So
that's
just telling you to say it depends with the papers.
Okay.
Like yeah, it depends with the papers. If like maybe you've got good papers, you can work anywhere according to what you have.
Are Zambians really welcoming?
Very much, yes. As you can see, I'm talking to you for the first time, but the way I'm vibing as if I've known you forever.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Tell Kenyans to welcome to Zambia.
Kenyans, you're welcome to Zambia at any time, any minute, anytime. You're welcome.
Thank you so much for your time.
Right, okay.
What's your name?
Enoch Banda.
Enoch
Banda.
Banda.
Yes.
You live here in Lusaka.
Yes.
So my question for today is for my subscribers, maybe someone who wants to move from another city or another country in East Africa or in Africa, and they want to come maybe here to look for something to do, like changing life, you know. which kind of the available jobs here in Lusaka?
Like what I can say on that one, there are different things that one can involve in.
For example?
For example, I can just go for street vending. Street vending, because that's the easiest way to start a business in Lusaka.
Does it not require capital?
It does, but not that maximum
Like
capital.
for how much can you start a business?
Possibly, if 500 is enough.
500?
Yes.
So 500 is how much in dollars?
500 in dollars.
Yeah, right now, what's the rate right now?
The rate is at 616.
I'm gonna put them a subtitle for there. So how hard is it to live in Lusaka, man?
It's really hard because jobs are very hard to find.
Why?
Yeah, lack of opportunities, like to be in government and to do well jobs. That's the problem that I can say for now. We have a lot of educated people out there, but to find job it's very difficult.
It's quite difficult.
Very
So what do you
much.
think the government can do to help people on the street, man, to find jobs, you know?
Like for now, the president is doing his job well.
Okay.
Because I'm sure you heard of what he has been doing recently,
Yeah.
employing health workers and so forth, and I'm sure a lot is yet to come.
Okay.
I'm sure he's
So-
doing a great job, yeah.
Okay, so would you like to inspire other young Africans out there, like who would like to come here to look for something to change their lives?
Yeah, they can come, provided they have something in their mind to start from.
Okay. Okay.
Because for you to start a business, you have to have a plan first. What am I going to sell in Zambia? How is this and that? You get the point.
Wow.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your time, bro.
Thank you very
So
much.
guys, as you just heard from the locals, if you wanna just come here to look for a job, those are the kind of jobs available in this area, or rather in Lusaka. So maybe to highlight the shops working in a booth for the telecommunication companies, for what else did I hear? Yeah, and try to read the gazettes so that you can find the available opportunities. So don't come to Zambia and complain there is no work here. So that's it. It's your boy Asad, and don't forget to subscribe to Asad Experience YouTube channel, man. I really work so hard for you guys to give you clean content, to make sure you get nice content. For those who really wanna come to hustle, behind me there is a road safety.